Grand Exposition is a roller coaster for the younger kids, and the younger kids at heart. It only travels about 20 miles an hour and has a 13-foot drop. Adults can ride this ride, although for some of us, it's a very tight squeeze. If you are liking this video, be sure to hit the like button to let us know. We always love hearing from you. If you want to see more rides from Silver Dollar City, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a thing. Check out Outlaw Run next by clicking the link shown here. And until next time, be safe and remember, have fun, let's travel.